Hi! Today I will make sweetened mashed potato as a dessert and salted mashed potato as side dish. These are the ingredients for sweetened mashed potato. The potatoes, we need 4 to 5. Condensed milk, half of it. Cheddar cheese. Unsalted butter. Now we will boil the potato. After that, we will peel it and mash. We can now add the melted butter. Around 50 grams of melted butter. Add it gradually and slowly. Mix it until it will become creamy, then add the condensed milk. Around 200 grams or ml of condensed milk. Then mash it until it will give you a creamy texture. Add the remaining butter and then mix completely. Then spread the mixture in a baking pan. Then cover it with grated cheddar cheese. It's up to you if you want to put more or just a little. And we are now ready to bake the sweetened mashed potato. We already preheated the oven around 180. Now we will cook the salted mashed potato for our side dish. We will need 3 large potatoes and we will boil them until soft. Then we can sprinkle some salt to it. We are done. After that, set aside and let it cool, and we will peel the potatoes and prepare all the ingredients. Here are the ingredients: the potato, 30 grams of butter. We need milk, like 3 to 4 tablespoons, then salt and pepper. We'll start to mash the potato. Mash them completely. Now we can add the melted butter, unsalted one, and mash them until it will become like creamy. We can now add 3 to 5 tablespoons of liquid milk so that the consistency will be creamier. Then finally, we can sprinkle it with a pinch of salt and pepper. And we are done, guys. So we will just mix it and ready to serve. You can now scoop your mashed potato into your serving plates.